Hi friends, welcome back to Little Kids Leap. Today we are going on a super cute adventure. We are going to learn the special names for baby animals. Are you ready? Let's leap into it. It's a dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. Puppies are very cute and playful. It's a cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Kittens love to play. It's a cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Calves love to drink milk. It's a goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Kids jump and play. It's a horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Foals run fast. It's a sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Lambs are soft and fluffy. It's a lion. A baby lion is called a cub. Cubs grow into strong lions. It's a tiger. A baby tiger is also called a cub. Cubs are playful. It's an elephant. A baby elephant is called a calf. They have small trunks. It's a monkey. A baby monkey is called an infant. They love to climb. It's a chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chicks are small and yellow. It's a duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. Ducklings swim in water. It's a tadpole. A baby frog is called a tadpole. They grow in water. It's a bee. A baby bee is called a larva. They grow into flying bees. It's a donkey. A baby donkey is called a foal. They are strong. It's a pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. Piglets are cute. It's a bear. A baby bear is called a cub. Cubs love honey. It's a rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. Bunnies hop. It's a bird. A baby bird is called a chick. Chicks chirp. It's a snake. A baby snake is called a hatchling. They crawl. It's a turtle. A baby turtle is also called a hatchling. They move slowly. It's a dolphin. A baby dolphin is called a calf. They swim fast. It's a wolf. A baby wolf is called a pup.